Hi, my name is Abby. I got the computation of division. My equation is 335 divided by 7. The way I've estimated this is I've rounded up 335 to 350. I know that 35 divided by 7 is 5, so I'm going to multiply my 5 by 10, and that gives me 50, so I know that my answer should be just under. So this is my base 10 strategy here. So right now I have 100, 200, 300, and 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this together represents my 335. And down here I have 7 buckets, and that's going to represent the 335 that I'm dividing by 7. So right now I know that I can't evenly share 300, so these 3 blocks. So I'm going to have to exchange these out for 10 units of 10 blocks. So I'm going to get rid of these. And then over here I have my units representing. So right now I know that 280 divided by 7 is 40. So what I'm going to do is put 40 in each bucket here. So I'm going to take 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, 40, and 40. Okay, so now it looks like I have 5 leftover blocks here. So I can't evenly share those into my 7 buckets, so I'm going to need to exchange those out now for 10 individual units. So I have 5 groups of 10 individual units each. So I'm going to take these away because I won't need these anymore. So I know that 49 divided by 7, that's a square number. So that means that I'm going to need to add 7 units into each of these buckets. So I'm going to count 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, that's 6, and 1 more. I have 5 right here, so that one needs 2 more. And then here I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so those are all going to come to this bucket. And then I have 7 here. 2, 3, 5, 6. And this block was supposed to be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need to add 1 more there. So it looks like now that in each bucket I have 7 individual units and 4 rods of 10. So that means I have 47 in each, and I have a leftover of 6 units. So my answer is going to be 47 and 6/7. So this is my pictorial strategy. I've broken up my 3 base 10 blocks of 100 into 10 groups of 10 because I know that I can't evenly share these. So what I'm going to do is I know that 280 divided by 7 is 40. So I'm going to make 7 groups of 40. Circle that. So now I have a remaining of 5 blocks here of 10 each. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what I've done on here is I've made my 50 units. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle groups of 7 here. So cross that off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have 7 groups here, and it looks like I have 6 individual units remaining. So here each unit has 40. And here each one has 7, so 40 plus 7, and then I have my 6/7 remaining units, so I'm left with 47 and 6/7. Symbolic method, I now know that 280 divided by 7 is 40, so I have to minus this 335 minus the 280, which is going to leave me with 55. I know that from this number, 49 is an easy number to divide out, so I know that 49 divided by 7 is 7. So now I have to minus this 55 minus 49. I'm left with 6. So I have to divide 6 by 7. That's still left in a fraction of 6/7. So I'm going to add these 3 numbers together, and I'm left with 47 and 6/7. So for my flexible strategy, I'm going to be using the hangman method. So 335. So I know easily that 280 divided by 7 is 40. So there I'm going to have 55 left over. And then for my past equations, I know that 49 is an easy number to divide by 7. So I will put my 7 here, and then I'm left with 6 left over. So all I have to do is add my 40, my 7, and I'm left with 6/7. So that is 47 and 6/7.